Good morning. T-Speaker 222 XRB Future Millionaire with the side bet on XLM and Future. Digibyte. OG. So we got some stuff to discuss today. Had a very volatile overnight. Bitcoin went way up to about 58,000. Yeah, 58,000. And you can see exactly what happened. The 30-minute time frame, we talked about it yesterday all day. Could we get past the 30-minute time frame? The answer is no. We got rejected again. Had another fake up. And we're going to see what this means, if we're going to come down or if this is just the start of something much bigger. We could have a firm double bottom here, if this would ever load. You can see we have a clear double bottom here, but to me, I feel like we're on a right arm. So whether or not this comes up or not, I think what it was doing earlier, that little fake out, that was going to be the attempt up to like that 61,212 area, but it got rejected right away at the 30-minute. So this very well could be in the 4 hour. That could have been a fake out up, and now we're having the real reversal back down. We're about to see, though, here very quickly, because the U.S. markets are waking up, and the U.S. is our interesting bunch of traders. XRP, same deal as Bitcoin. We had a little run up last night. Not in anything major. But let's go to the 30-minute time frame, because in the 30-minute time frame is what we were talking about yesterday. Can we break the 200-day? The answer is no. We got rejected by the 200-day and the 30-minute time frame on XRP as well. 108 is resistance, 101 is support. We're caught right in between this dead man zone. It does look like we could have started a reversal on the bottom, but it also looks like could be a trap. These are very weird patterns. The way that this is going right now, it speaks to me like this is a fake out and we're going to go farther down. And don't get yourselves trapped. So be very, very cautious this morning and buy the levels when they're appropriate. Right now we are in no man's land, which means we could go down very quickly. In the 200-day on the daily, we got to go down to 98 cents. We're real close. I think we're going to fill that gap. The question is do we fill farther gaps? Which a farther gap would be the weekly, which is all the way down here at 57 cents, which I can totally see us coming back down and touching that weekly at some point, sooner rather than later. So we've got that 57 and 73 down there. That's what I'm looking for. We're hunting the daily. We already came through the 4 hour time frame. And this little, what looked like it was going to be a W, I think this is a fake out. And even if it were to, because this is what can happen, even if it were to swing around and then come up here, I think it would just get rejected and continue down. But I'm not even sure if it's going to do that. I think you could have something like this. And when you think it's going to pull up, it just lags down. So that fake out last night and then reversing back down was pretty big. It keeps us in the same area of we don't know what the hell is going to happen. But right now you just got to play off the support, and you have a $1.08 resistance, $1.17 support for XRP, right in the middle. XLM had a nice little run up, but then quickly got rejected. Go to the 30-minute time frame so you guys can see exactly what happened. Got all the way up to 35.5. And then the 30-minute time frame, the 200-day held strong, and it came right back down to support at 33.1. I don't think this is done. I think we're going down. These, and then we got 31-cent low support. I think these are going farther down. DGB tried as well. It came up to the 30-minute time frame multiple times and got rejected. This is telling me we're being rejected in the 30-minute. That means we don't have enough strength to be pushing over. So DGB needs to come down, and it hasn't loaded yet, to this 4745 for this double bottom. And then there's also a lower target if we can break that down at 4328 and then further. So we've got to be very cautious this morning. Make sure if you're looking for exclusive content, you join Tom's Army for $9.99 a month. We have 171 members. We're only 29 away from our goal of 200. We're picking up new members, but we also lose members every month. It's just the way it works. Some people only support for 1 month, which is fine. And I appreciate all the ones that are supporting, that are overshadowing the dropped off members of Tom's Army. So Video did a little better last night. We had 96 likes on 1,100 views. I would love to see 100 likes on each of these videos. We had quite the streak going for a while, and now it's back to the basics. So we had exclusive content last night, XRP, or yesterday, XRP, Bitcoin, DAPPT coin, and DeVi. And every time you see exclusive content, that's for members only. So you get the exclusive content. Also join Tom's Army, get the exclusive emoji badges of me being abducted by aliens in month 1. And so on through month 6 in 1 year. And also you get the exclusive Telegram. Now, for my buddy Sniper, before I leave, the DAPPT coin. And I know you watched till the end. So this is what we're looking at, Sniper. On the 30-minute time frame, we're trying to come up to the 200-day. So we're trying to get up to 44306. Unfortunately, if you start to look at this and see what's starting to go on here, it's actually pretty interesting. We've got a bunch of crashing moving averages, but once you break out of the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame, you can see where we're coming down to. It's right where I drew that yellow line, and I think this is where we have a date with Destiny, Sniper. So 34871, if we were to hold that daily time frame, I think that could be a great spot for a swing trade. So try to watch those levels. I'll keep you updated as appropriate. But that is really where I'm looking at for DAAPT. I mean, you've got it right here, Sniper, in the daily time frame at 34871. That is such a perfect spot. We're using that 44306 as upper resistance, and then we've got low support at 34871. We can go into different time frames, and you can try to find, a different area. But this is where it seems like we're seeking. I don't have a problem saying that, so that's where I would be targeting. And then DIVI coin, Divi. The Divi's too new. We can't just go into the 4-hour or the daily, but it looks like we're creating this topping reversal. We talked about this a while ago when we did this, and we said when we broke that 9.6, are we going to use that as support or resistance? Well, unfortunately, Sniper, we used it as resistance. We're coming right through my levels. We have what could be considered some kind of bottoming formation down here at 7547. We made a nice little run up to about 8.3, but then got quickly rejected, and now we're working our way back down again. Just like the rest of them, getting rejected by the 30-minute time frame, and that leads us to start getting rejected. So right now we've got resistance of 7941, unless we can get back into the upper resistance spot of 8598, and we have low support of 6958, mid support of 7547. So to me, the best opportunity here, again, can't go into the daily time frame, so we wait for the 4-hour, and at 5911 seems to be the indication that we're probably heading down there, unless we get held in the 2-hour, which is at 6958. Hope this update helps. Make sure to hit that like button.